Hey Android fans, this is Eric from hollywoodfrodo.com with another Android app review. Today I'm going to be talking to you about the app Yahoo News Digest, which is not to be confused with just Yahoo News. This is Yahoo News Digest. Right before I get to that, I do want to remind you this review is sponsored in part by AndyTags.com. AndyTags is a great website for getting cool Android-themed NFC tags, NFC keychains for use with your Android phone to automate tasks. So check out AndyTags.com after the review. So Yahoo News Digest, it's a new app from Yahoo. It was originally, or they bought out an app called Summly, which summarized the news, which was created by like a 15 or 16-year-old kid. And they bought it out and changed it a little bit, rebranded it. It is now Yahoo News Digest, which basically twice a day puts a notification in your bar. Of course, you can open the app anytime, but twice a day it puts a notification. In the morning and the evening, you open it up, and it has like the top 10 or so news stories, just the news stories that are most important in each category for that morning or for that evening, for the day. So it's a great way to not spend a lot of time reading a whole bunch of news stories, but just the ones that are most important. And of course, even with those, you can read the headlines, and if you're not interested, you don't read the article. So let's hop on my phone. I'm going to show you how it works, what it looks like, and why it's gotten a lot of rave reviews from pretty much everybody in the tech world for being one of the best news apps on the market. On my phone, and here is Yahoo News Digest right there. So we're going to tap that and open this up. Now, once you install this on your phone, twice a day, at 8 in the morning and 8 in the evening, you'll get a little notification from the app saying your news is ready. As you can see, this is my Friday morning news. So I got a little notification this morning at 8 a.m. saying my news is ready. You can tap that to open it up. I'll get another one at 8 p.m. and it'll be different stories. So basically this is the top story and image, and then as you scroll down you have these different stories. I believe, I don't know if it's, trying to remember if it's, I think it's always 10, I believe. But it may be sometimes a little bit more or less, just depending on what's happening. Because basically what they're doing is they're pulling together the biggest news of the day. So at 8 a.m., what's the biggest news from yesterday evening until 8 a.m.? And then tonight at 8 p.m., what's the biggest news that has happened during the day? And then as you read the articles, you'll see how that is solid. That's because I read that article. So if we tap on this to read the article about Obama, you get an image. You do have your share button up here. And then as you scroll down, you not only have the article itself, and it's a very summarized article. See, it's not like a really long article. It's summarized. You then have other factual information that pertains to that article. So here's a fact. How many troops were killed on D-Day? Then you have images related to that article. So here are various images related to this current article about Obama celebrating D-Day. Then you might have a video. So here's a video. Then you might have information from Wikipedia that pertains to this article. So here's a little information from Wikipedia. And you can press the learn more to learn more. Here's more information from Wikipedia. Here's a map that shows map information about that is related to the article. Then you have the topic in depth. Of course, you can click that and open it up on the internet to read that. Here's another one. Then you have tweets that are related to the article. So different tweets related to what the article is about. And then you have at the bottom your references. So that's how an article looks. We're going to go back. And as you see, it's now solid, which means I've read that. And the little buttons down here at the bottom, not really buttons, but hopefully you can see those, below each article heading tell you what information is contained in that article. So Wikipedia, a map, images, video, statistics, and Twitter. We're on that one. And the next one, it's Wikipedia, map, video, photo, and Twitter. So let's open that up. You have the top image, and then as you scroll, you have the summary of the article, then the images, then the video, and then information from Wikipedia. That's relatable. And then the map. And then you have the topic in depth. If you want to read the entire detailed article, you click on that and open that up. And then Twitter feed with tweets that are related to the article. So very simple, very nice user interface, very elegant way of presenting the information and getting you information that actually is related and helps. And it covers every topic. U.S. news, and then world, and politics, and sports, and science. So technology, so different things. So just the things that have most important that have happened in the last 12 hours, more or less, those are the articles they focus on. So it's a great way to just kind of get a good summary of the information, keep up with what's going on without having to spend a lot of time reading long articles or digging through a lot of pointless articles to get to the ones that are important. Just a good way to kind of get an overview of what's going on. If you hit the little menu button, you can get more digests, so you can see a few more. You can go into your settings. You can turn the notifications off if you don't want to be notified every morning at 8 and every evening at 8. You can change the edition. By default, it'll be based on your location, so I'm using the United States edition. And then you can share the app or rate the app, and you can find out how it works if you're interested. But that's really all there is to it. Very simple app. Down here at the bottom, it tells you exactly how many articles you have read. And then if you want more news, you can click the Read More News button, and there's extra news that you can pull up and read about. So that's pretty much how it works. Again, it's a Yahoo News Digest. Really beautiful app that is just a great way to keep up with the news that's going on. That was Yahoo News Digest. As you can see, very simple, intuitive, and nice user interface to deliver a summary of the important news to you. And I love it because when you're reading articles, they have photos, they have extra information in there that may be information you'd want to know along with just the actual article itself. So it's a great app and it's free, so head over to the Play Store and pick it up for yourself, put it on your phone, try it for a few weeks, see if you like it for yourself. Anyway, that's it for this review. If you like this review, please click that like button. Head over to my YouTube channel and check out all the Android app reviews I've done. I've got a lot of apps that you can check out, maybe find some apps you didn't know about before. That'll help you make better use of your phone. Also have Tasker tutorials if you're into Tasker or want to learn more about how to use Tasker. And I also do product reviews and dog product reviews, and you can check those out as well. If you like this review, click that like button. If I didn't already say that, maybe I did. And don't forget to share it with anyone you know who might be interested, and you can do that on Google+, Twitter, Facebook, all those fun ways are down there. Anyway, that is it until next time. This is Eric reminding you that your Android phone is only going to be as good as you make it.